Hey guys, Red Pen Mining here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. I'm not having a great day because Kadena has decided to announce, or I guess the company, they said here they announced that the Kadena organization is no longer able to continue business operations and will be ceasing all business activity and active maintenance of the Kadena blockchain immediately. So what has transpired from that is a drop in Kadena's price, okay, just today as of recording, from like 21 cents down to 9 cents. So that's a good 10-11 cent drop. There was a drop before, okay, maybe 10 days ago, because of the, I think it was due to the cascading liquidation event that we had on a lot of the altcoins, because of the massive short position that was, I guess, filled, and everything just started crashing down. So that didn't help, okay? But then, of course, yeah, this announcement didn't help either. So I got a few things I want to go through in this video. I also want to talk to you guys about my Kadena mining journey with my KA3 that I mined back in January 13th of 2024. And then the miner died February 18th, 2025. So maybe that was a blessing in disguise. A good thing it died. So I was going to continue to mine Kadena until this thing, was unprofitable. And it was profitable during that time, but it decided to die. Anyways, I got a lot to talk through in this video, and yeah, I guess I'm just gonna call it a loss. I already called it a loss a while ago, but yeah, I'm gonna talk about how much Kadena I have and all that kind of stuff right after a word from today's video sponsor, because I'm gonna need it. Looking to earn profitably during your crypto mining journey? Look no further than asicmarketplace.com, where they sell all the latest crypto miners and provide fast shipping service. At asicmarketplace.com, the price you see is the price you pay. Shipping and DDP right to your door are included, no surprises at checkout. Pay your way with secure options like direct bank transfer or crypto payments like Bitcoin, USDT, or even Caspa. Ready to save even more? Use code RPM at checkout and get $100 off each ASIC order. Join the asicmarketplace.com community today and mine smarter, not harder. Links down below. Okay, so I had to read this one first. Cadex official. I believe they said Cadex specializes in building comprehensive technology and governance solutions for blockchain, Web3, and DeFi. So these guys say, if you are interested in joining our class action against Kadena, please comment below. We'll be reaching out individually to everyone who lost money due to the token decline and Kadena's directors' irresponsible behavior. Now, I don't know if you can, make a class action against a coin that's gone down. Is that even possible? You guys let me know down below. But yeah, it's been quite a downward sell pressure, I guess, since 2021, since, all-time high of Kadena was what, $28. And to also rub salt into the wound for myself that, I was potentially going to be a millionaire if I held Kadena all the way up until $28, which I didn't, because I sold way back then. And yeah, so I thought, hey, I thought I could make that play again and be mining Kadena when I had a KA3 back in beginning of 2023, and it mined all the way up until February 2025. And we had a few times when, Kadena went up and down, all that kind of stuff. And, probably would have been best for me to sell it back in December when it went to $1.83. But of course I didn't, because, when you look at Kadena's price here, I was hoping for, something a little bit higher, right? But it looks like it has never come. So talk about some speculation as we go along here. So, okay, so this Kadena public announcement, I'm not going to read through the whole thing. I already did a short reading it. I'll have it linked down below if you want to read it. But otherwise, it's basically moving towards a community coin now. And yeah, so there's going to be an upgrade, and node operators have to upgrade and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, yada, yada, yada. Basically, Kadena organization, basically they're not able to continue because of the market conditions. I mean, I feel like that's the case with a lot of things recently. A lot of corporations are laying off people. There's mining pools that are quitting because they can no longer pay for their hosting fees, on AWS or wherever they're hosting their mining pools. This is happening everywhere. Okay, this is not just a lot of coins that are exiting, but coins that are businesses or corporations or what have you. Money is tight for everyone. And I know a lot of crypto miners are feeling the heat, actually, for the better part of the past year, I'd say. Ever since, I know Bitcoin's been going up, right? Bitcoin miners, are fine depending on your electrical cost, but altcoin miners in general have been going on this downward trend, and it's been quite depressing. It's been this bull run we've been here, quote unquote bull run, is for crypto miners has been pretty rough because altcoins haven't been performing that well at all. Bitcoin's been performing great, but maybe Dogecoin, script mining has been performing generally okay. But all the other altcoins for proof of work have pretty much been dead in the water and has been on a downward trend. So that's why it feels a lot more, I guess, different this time and worse this time for a lot of crypto miners in a sense. But my journey. Okay, let's talk about my KA3 here. So with the price of Kadena going down here, I'm going to give you guys an update of my Kadena journey here now that Kadena is 9 cents, pretty much dead. So I had a KA3 that was mining since January 13th, 2024. That miner at the time cost $37.08 and 86 cents, so $3,700. And so, that thing took about 3,154 watts, 166 terahash, Bitmain KA3. So from January 13th to February 18th, 2025, I had it hosted at Terra Hosting and 9 cent power. So, throughout that time, it mined for that year, or for that 402 days, it mined 4,369 Kadena. And I am still holding all the Kadena here. You can see my wallet address here. I don't care. You guys can take it. Go for it. I don't care. I don't know how you can take it. Maybe you can. At this point, I don't care. It's not worth anything anyway. So yeah, that's worth $380 right now. So power cost. Okay, let me just go through everything here real quick. So when I had it at Terra Hosting, I was spending about $6.81 a day. Okay, at 9 cent kilowatt hour when it was hosted. So I times 402 days by $6.81, and the total power cost I paid out of pocket, because again, I've held all the Kadena, $2,737.62 in power that I've paid out of pocket. So the miner cost and then the power cost combined is $6,446.48 that I would be in the red. Theoretically, a thank you to mineshop.eu for the KA3. They sent me it to do this test and do all that kind of fun stuff. So in theory, this is just a theoretical test for anyone that maybe bought one of these KA3s during this time. I believe that's when that batch came out, and some people were getting into Kadena because it was profitable at that time. But yeah, anyways, so I thought I would do the whole mine and hodl test, okay? And it turned out to be probably one of the worst things I've ever done. Again, sorry, it was great. It would have been great if I did the mine and hodl test on the previous Kadena miner, the IB-Link BMK3 that I got back in 2020, I believe. Yeah, 2020. And if I mined like 50,000 Kadena or something, if I held that 50,000 Kadena, it would have been worth almost $1 million US. So yeah, that I'm still hurt by that one. But anyways, besides the point, I thought, hey, because if that happened to me, if I just held it, maybe it might happen again with Kadena. And ultimately, sure, Kadena had a little few pumps here and there to $1.58, $1.81 or whatever, but I didn't sell during those times because I was like, hey, maybe what if Kadena could go to $2 and then $2 again, $14, $28 again. Here we are. I mean, I know I'm probably people are gonna be like, Red Panda, this is hopium, but like, what if? Okay, what if the market, Bitcoin going up is not over? What if the bull run's not over yet? What if Bitcoin is gonna go to 150K? Will altcoins generally start going up like we've seen? I know Bitcoin dominance has been quite high, right? Bitcoin dominance is going higher, so altcoins are worth much less, right? So we did have a bit of altcoin dominance coming back over the past couple months, but now it's going back into Bitcoin. So it's not this, I'm not saying that it's going to happen again, but what if, right? That's why I'm going to be holding this Kadena here. There's really no point for me to sell it because it's only worth $380 right now. Okay, so if I were to sell that Kadena now, I would then be in a loss of about $6,066.31. So yeah, if I sold this now, I would claim it as a loss, capital loss on my taxes, but I'm not selling it. And actually, I probably should, so that I could do that tax loss harvesting thing. I'll think about that. But yeah, so future speculation here. Let's just go down here. So this Kadena that I mined, right? If Kadena went to, $20, let's just say this bag I have here could be worth $88,000. Is that going to go there? Probably not. If I were to just try to break even on the miner and electricity, I just need Kadena to go to $1.48. Okay, now that maybe Kadena's, because it's, it's going back to community coin. I don't know. Maybe, probably not. Probably not. It's probably going to keep going down. Copium, whatever. So, previous top, let's say, what about the previous top that Kadena had? $1.83. Well, yeah, I should have, in theory, sold then. That would have been worth almost $8,000. Okay. Back in, I think that's maybe a couple months before I stopped mining. So maybe I had like 3,800, 3,900 Kadena, but it would be worth a lot more if I sold the top, the previous top that happened back in December 2024. So I didn't do that. I missed my opportunity there. Okay. All right. I missed my opportunity there because I was doing the whole mine and hodl thing, hoping that would go higher, gambling that would go higher, speculating that it would go higher. And at this time, it hasn't. So that's sad. But today's price, it's now the bag I have here is worth $380. And yeah, so this is a massive loss. Just to, tell you guys my journey with this miner here. I didn't obviously go full out and buy a bunch of KA3s to be mining Kadena. No, it's too risky. Hindsight 2020, maybe I should have just, mined into USDT or actually, I should have just mined into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has been outperforming everything else. Now that Kadena is now at $29 million market cap. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. It's nearing Ironfish here. Ironfish, because it kind of looks like it's having some pump here. But a $29 million market cap doesn't bring any confidence in this coin anymore now that pretty much gone, pretty much rugged, depending on how you look at it. I think it's just a bunch of things regarding even the cascading liquidation effect that happened. Kadena organization just couldn't keep up with it anymore. Couldn't because of the market conditions. So, I mean, that's been pretty much what we've been seeing for the past couple months, past year, honestly. A lot of people have been exiting. It's not just miners, but yeah, mining pools, coins, businesses, they can't pay, right? They can't pay anymore. And it's getting quite bad. Yeah. Recessionary talks next year, man. I just hope everyone here that's listening, I want everyone here to have a safety net. I know we got some bullish things coming. I know everyone's talking about the interest rate drops, that's supposedly coming. M2 money supply going higher. We got a pro crypto president, government in the US. Everyone seems bullish on that, depending how you look at it. I know crypto in general is not supposed to be tied to any government or, have any types of regulation. But here we are. A lot of people seem to be very happy about it. And I think you guys know what happens when, governments try to get into something. It usually turns out to be a bad thing. But in this case, I hope it turns out to be a good thing long term. But you guys let me know. I guess that's just I don't know. I don't even know anymore. I'm not even shocked at this point. When I first saw this and I was like, well, I'm too late to sell. I'm not selling my bag. At this point, either I'm going to hold the zero or be the hero of potentially if altcoin season comes back and Kadena decides to pump a little bit. If it does, then I will sell it. I'm just done. I'll be done. Yeah, I'll be done. All right, my friends, let me know your thoughts of what has happened with Kadena here. Probably a lot of you in the chat are going to say like, what is Kaspa next? So what's the next coin that's going to be exiting? And, I don't think a lot of coins out there have an business organization tied to it. Kaspa, I think, is a community coin, so there's no business there in a sense. Yeah, this reminds me of like actually Aeon back in 2018, 2019 when Aeon also went. They were a business and they ceased business activity and they went bankrupt and stuff. So kind of reminds me of Aeon. And so any VC backed corporation that's a business backed coin, when the times get rough like this, it turns out to be bad. And so I'm curious if Kadena, this organization, sold, right? I'm actually curious if they sold just recently here. Not at the cascading event that happened on Binance, but just recently today. I don't know. You guys let me know. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Let me know your thoughts also about my mining. This is quite depressing, but blessing in disguise. I guess it's good that the KA3 died back in February. Whew, I would have spent way more on power. Oh my goodness, I just realized this would have been like 650 days. Damn, that would have been, I would have paid like $4,426 in electric. Oh, good thing. Thank God I did not keep this thing on. Thank God it died. Thank you. Thank you for dying. Bitmain, KA3. I mean, I guess it's normal that these miners die. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Let me know if you watch till the end. Goodbye.